Hello everybody, today we're going to show you how to replace your screen and for your screen windows. Okay, first thing you're going to need is the screen that you want to repair, your screen window you want to repair, your screen, we're using PET screen, your screen tool, your spline, a pair of scissors to cut your screen, a screwdriver to get your spline out of the screen, a razor knife to trim it, and possibly a pair of pliers to pull your spline out from around the screen. Start at the corner. This screen's old, so it's very stuck. There we go. Got it. Oh, see. There we go. Got it. Pull the old spline out. Move you guys back, maybe you can see more. Sorry about that. There we go. Yeah, we do it that way. That's out. That's all your old spline. Disregard that. Get your old screen out. Disregard that. Clean it up a little bit. Like I say, this window's old, it's dusty and dirty. Take your screen out. I'm moving you guys back just a little bit more, maybe you see more. It's my first time doing one of these kind of videos, so we'll get it. Yeah. There's your screen. And when you put it on your window, you want to make sure it's larger, and then you can trim it down to size. See how I got it? See how I got it hanging over the edges? It's going to be larger than the screen itself. Use your scissors to cut it. Since I want to curl up, I'm going to turn it around. That way it'll curl down. So when I put it in there. Take the new spline. Take the new spline. Get it halfway untangled, however you can do it. There we go, we'll just do it that way. That makes it simple, easy. I didn't show you this. This tool here has got two different wheels. So this wheel here is kind of got a groove in it. This wheel here don't. It's just that wheel there is just a wheel. Now you want to take your one without the groove and push your screen down in there. Start off. your spline. And the one with the wheels, what this does, it lets that, it runs along that spline and helps you push it in. Kind of got a groove right there that holds the spline in place. Just put it right down inside that groove. There you go. Let me show you. Put it right down inside that groove. And it rolls right along in there and it pushes it down in there. Now all I'm going to do is just take my scissors and trim off the excess from around the window. Okay. I just trimmed it close to it. You don't have to get super duper close because you're going to be using your razor knife to trim it off anyway. Like I say, you check your corners. Make sure all your corners are down in there good. Alright, when I get everything trimmed back perfect, the way I want it, I'll show you guys that. Alright guys, there it is. It's all done. Now you got your brand new screen. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you ain't already subscribed, so please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget, hit that notification bell. That way you'll be notified when we put more videos up. Thanks for watching.